Hello friends, Sat Shri Akal. Welcome to Punjabi Charm YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Friends, so far we have learned Gurmukhi sounds till the Lama Matra. In this video we will learn Hora Matra words. Before learning these words, let's revise what we have learned about Hora Matra in our first video. In the first video, we learned that Hora has a symbol like this, and we write Hora at the top of the letter like this, here. And Hora Matra has sound of O as in low, snow and grow. We have learned the Punjabi word Tota, which means parrot. We will learn more words in this video. Let's move to the first word of this video. The first word is Tota. Tota. Tota means parrot. And to read this word, we can say Tattenu hoda to, Tattenu kannata, Tota. Tota. Tota means parrot. You can repeat after me. Tota. Let's check out next word. The next word is Tol. Tol. Tol means drum. And to read this word, we can say Taddenu hoda to, Lalla muktala, Tol. Tol. You can repeat after me. Tol. Let's move to the next word. The next word is more. More. More means peacock. And to read this word, we can say Mammenu hoda mo, Rara muktara, more. More. You can repeat after me. More. Let's move to the next word. The next word is note. Note. Note means bill. And to read this word, we can say Nanninu hoda no, Tanka muktata, note. Note. You can repeat after me. Note. Let's check out next word. The next word is shore. Shore. Shore means noise. And to read this word, we can say Shashenu hoda sho, Rara muktara, shore. Shore. You can repeat after me. Shore. Let's move to the next word. The next word is Koda. Koda. Koda means horse. And to read this word, we can say Kaggenu hoda ko, Radenu kannada, Koda. Koda. You can repeat after me. Koda. Let's check out next word. The next word is Mota. Mota. Mota means fat. And to read this word, Mammenu hoda mo, Tankenu kannata, Mota. Mota. You can repeat after me. Mota. Let's check out next word. The next word is roti. Roti. Roti means bread. And to read this word, we can say Rarenu hoda ro, Tankenu bihari ti, roti. Roti. You can repeat after me. Roti. Let's move to the next word. The next word is topi. Topi. Topi means cap. And to read this word, we can say Tankenu hoda to, Pappenu bihari pi, topi. Topi. You can repeat after me. Topi. Let's move to the next word. The next word is botal. Botal. Botal means bottle. And to read this word, we can say Babbenu hoda bo, Tattenu muktata, Lallenu muktala, botal. Botal. You can repeat after me. Botal. Let's check out next word. The next word is tokri. Tokri. Tokri means basket. And to read this word, we can say Tankenu hoda to, Kakkenu muktaka, Rarenu bihari ri, tokri. Tokri. You can repeat after me. Tokri. Let's move to the next word. The next word is rasoi. Rasoi. Rasoi means kitchen. To read this word, we can say Rarenu muktara, Sassenu hoda so. ईडी नु बिहारी ई, रसोई, रसोई. You can repeat after me, rasoi. Let's check out next word. The next word is samosa. Samosa. Samosa means samosa. And to read this word, we can say sassenu mukta sa, mammenu hoda mo, sassenu kanna sa, samosa. Samosa. You can repeat after me, samosa. Let's move to the next word. The next word is akhrot. Akhrot. Akhrot means walnut. And to read this word, we can say Ada mukta a, Kakha mukta kha, Rarenu hoda ro, Tanka mukta ta, akhrot. Akhrot. You can repeat after me, akhrot. Let's move to the next word. The next word is somvar. Somvar. Somvar means Monday. And to read this word, we can say Sassenu hoda so, Mamma mukta ma, Vavenu kanna va, Rara mukta ra, somvar. Somvar. You can repeat after me, somvar. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning Punjabi. Sat Shri Akal.